Hi, this is Terry with Central Valley Airgunners and FoxAirPower.com. How's everybody doing? So check it out. I brought in some UTG stuff to complement the AEA stuff. Here's the Flying Tiger. Yay. Okay, so I brought in a couple of laser flashlight combos. This one's in red. I also have them in green. I also brought in the famous Bug Busters. This is the 3 to 9 by 32. I also have the 3 to 12 by 32. These are mil dot reticles with a 1-inch tube, and they have a 3-yard to infinity parallax. The next two scopes I brought in are the AccuShot OP3 scopes. These are MOA reticles, also etched glass reticles, 30mm tubes on both of these. I brought in the 3 to 12 by 44 and the 4 to 16 by 44. All these scopes come with sunshades. They all come with the flip up dust covers. They also all have red and green powered reticles. Really nice units. All these scopes also come with medium height Picatinny rings, the ones you see on them now. Really nice stuff. I also brought in my favorite bipods. These are the UTG Recon 360 bipods. This one is an 8 by 12, and I also have them in 7 and 9. Super cool bipods. Cantilevered, see that? Get you an extra inch out there. I also brought in a couple of accessories. This is dovetail to Picatinny snap-in adapters. I've got rail adapters, dovetail to Picatinny. Couple of different types, I'll show you those. I also brought in parallax wheels for the OP3 scopes, for these two scopes. I also brought in some UTG AccuShot rings. These are all Picatinny rings. These are 1-inch medium and high. These are 30mm tube medium and high, all Picatinny. Same thing with the dovetail. 1-inch medium and high, and also 30mm medium and high. Those rings will cover everything you see here. Alright, so these are both AEA HP models that we're looking at here. The one in the back is an AEA HPSS Plus, and this one in front is an AEA HPSS Pistol. I've already installed the UTG dovetail to Picatinny rail mount adapter on this gun. You can see it clears. I want to show you the flashlight laser combo. It's got an integrated Picatinny clamp on there, super nice. Set it on there wherever you want it and lock it down. Extremely nice looking unit. The laser can spin all the way around the flashlight. It has a multi-position capability. I like my laser on the right there, and I'll show you why. Oh, these things also come with the pressure switches and the wires, you know, the curly Q wires. It comes with all that stuff. I like them cleaner like this, but anyway, in this position, you can grab that laser, turn it on and off, no problem. So I like my laser in that position. Of course, the flashlight has a momentary switch and also full time. And it looks super cool too. Also great for this gun, of course, is the Bug Busters. Really nice clamps come with the gun. These mediums are, the medium rings are high enough to clear the mag with or without the rail mount adapter. And it clears them. It clears everything. All right, here's my AEA HPSS Plus and 30 cal. I'm going to remove this rail. To use these scopes, any of these scopes with the supplied Picatinny rings, especially on the HPSS stuff, you're going to have to use these snap-in dovetail to Picatinny rail adapters. Super easy to use. Let me show you how. All you're going to do is slot that into that and snap them in. Snap them in. Now you've got dovetail clamps. Mount your scope wherever you want it. Lock it down. Super cool. I think the Bug Busters are a great option for these HP models. If you wanted to step your game up though, you certainly could use the OP3 scopes. Again, I've installed the dovetail to Picatinny snap-in adapters. Just lock this down. That's a meaty scope right there, right? Looks really nice too. Everything clears, mag and everything. Alright, so on the AEA HP Max models, 30 cal and 35 cal, the magazines are taller than the HP AEA models. So you are going to have to use the dovetail to Picatinny rail mount adapter here. With that installed, of course, you can use the supplied medium rings that come with all of these scopes. Okay? Oh man, that looks sweet. If you don't want to use the rail mount adapter, you're gonna have to get yourself some high rings, and these are direct dovetail, so they'll fit right on here without this mount adapter. They'll fit right on there. Alright, let's take a look at the AEA HP Max models in 45 and 50 cal. This is the 50 cal. Look how big the mags are. So, in order to use the supplied medium height rings that come with these scopes, you're going to have to use the dovetail to Picatinny rail mount adapter. And these scopes will mount right down. I also should mention that these are all compact model scopes, and the eye relief is about 2" and they sit perfect. These scopes are absolutely perfect for these AEA Airguns. That's a nice beefy scope right there. Nice stuff. If you wanted to mount the scope without the rail mount adapter, you're gonna have to abandon the supplied medium rings and pick yourself up some high 30mm for that scope dovetail rings. These are direct dovetail and they're high, so you know you don't have to use this. I just have it one screw. Yeah, you can mount the scope with this too. These are very nice. Alright, something else that I want to show you concerning the rail mount adapters. This is the universal round mount adapter. It's very nice looking, low and sleek. It's actually too low to use on any of the AEA air guns with the magazines installed. So, yeah. But if you want to be really badass, like I am, and you want to stuff the biggest ammo that you can in there, you can't use the magazine anyway. You're single loading. This is the rail for that. It's perfect. We can strap this 4 to 16 by 44 OP3 AccuShot on there. It's slung nice and low. Look at that. For the big bore challengers too, man. When you're stuffing giant ammo in there by hand, no magazine necessary. That's a setup for you right there, man. Really nice. Whoa. Alright, so let's take a look at the AEA Challenger Pros real quick. Of course, these guns come with these beautiful Picatinny rails already installed. And of course, these guns can stretch out. You can shoot some distance with these quite nicely. So I'm going to grab the UTG OP3 4 to 16 by 44. Mount that sucker on down there. Alright. No fitment issues whatsoever with the scope. Yeah, especially on this gun and any of the other AEA guns that come with Picatinny rails already part of the gun. These scopes will all fit really nice. Another accessory that I want to show you real quick is the parallax index wheel that presses onto the parallax wheel here on the AccuShot OP3s. You line it up and press it on. That's freaking cool, man. Super low profile. And nice to have there. That's a nice feature. To be able to grab your parallax wheel and use it that easily. Okay, so that's all the products that I brought in to show you. That is just the tip of the iceberg as far as what UTG Leapers has to offer. You know, of course, here you see they've been around for 30 years. They're well established. They're well known. Their products are well known. I'm glad to have them on board with me here. So if there's anything that you guys are familiar with, the UTG Leapers manufacturers, and would like to have, please let me know. And I will bring it in for you. It would be my pleasure. This is the new Integrex line coming out early next year, 2023. Nice stuff. There's our AccuShot OP3 optics. Bug Busters, True Hunters, pistol red dots. Look at these. I'm gonna show you something cool. Look at it. Take this mount and you could side mount it on your scope at an angle like that. You see that? That's freaking wicked. Colored cantilever mounts. Look at this. This hat here for a ring for the UTG AccuSync cantilever mounts. You can mount one of those mini red dots on top of your scope with that. That's a nice setup as well. I love that stuff. Very tactical. Okay. There's a bunch of dedicated optics mounts. Again, here's the scope with the side mounted mini red dot on it. in this configuration. I think that's so wicked. Very tactical. The front and rear sights. There's a way to configure your air gun to do that. That'd be cool. Alright, butt stocks. Look at this one with storage. Look at all the cool buffer tubes and the colored stuff. Quick detach adapters and sling swivels. And here is the dovetail to Picatinny rails that I showed you. These adapters. Here's the snap-in type. Bipods. Here's the Recon 360s. Again, you guys, anything you see in this catalog or that you are already familiar with, please let me know and allow me to bring it in for you. You get gun cases, carry bags. Look at that. Prep bags. Trail Seeker trail cam bags. This is where I'm getting my next backpack. Look at this. Range bags. Okay. I also have stacks of those super cool UTG stickers to give out with the orders. I've got all the UTG products added here at Fox Air Power. If you click on Shop Now, you can click on UTG Leapers and it'll show us the UTG products. Also from the home page, you can simply scroll down a little bit and you'll see a giant link to UTG Leapers. And again, there is the products. So make sure to check all this cool stuff out at foxairpower.com. All right, this is Terry with Central Valley Air Gunners and foxairpower.com. I want to thank everybody for being here and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.